Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So if you've got 3 buttons navigation and you prefer to use the gestures, simply open the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. At the top we've got the system navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gesture navigation which I've got applied, and 3 button navigation which probably you've got one. So I just wanted to show you that before we'll set the gestures, you can also customize the 3 buttons navigation, so you can change the icon style and change the and reorder the back button and the recent. So if you want to, you can customize it here. So now let's set the gestures. All you have to do is to tap on this option, gesture navigation, and of course, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it just by using this option. It's totally up to you. You can go through the tutorial and you can swipe to bring up digital assistant. It's totally up to you whether you want to use it. So now here you've got the animation which will show you how to use it. However, I will also explain it to you. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see this arrow. Now you can release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, you can swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.